how to create a Pinterest board. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we're going to talk about this platform called Pinterest. Now, how do you create a board on Pinterest? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your profile, and over here you're going to see all the different pins that you have saved. As you can see here on the right side, you would have this big plus button. You're simply going to click this and you would be able to see pin, idea pin, and board. By clicking on board, you would be able to create a board for your profile. As you can see here, we would need to name our board, and you could also keep this board a secret. If you don't want other people to see your board when they visit your profile, you could also leave this unchecked so that when people visit your profile, they would be able to see your board. Now for this one, we're going to put in aesthetic feelings, just like that, and you could click on to keep this board a secret and click on create. By doing this, you would be able to create a board, and as you can see here, you could save some pins on your new board. As you can see, you have a lot of options over here. You're simply going to click on save over here on the top right of the specific pin, and you would be able to save those specific pins. As you can see here, we're going to save a few, just like that, and click on done. And as you can see, we have 4 pins on our board. You would be able to generate more ideas, organize, or add to your boards. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.